Assignment number 3, rhetorical terms. Okay, so for assignment number 3, we're going to create a rhetorical terms glossary. And there are a lot of rhetorical terms out there to learn. So each of you are responsible for learning 3 terms. And the way that we're going to share those 3 with the rest of the class is with a wiki or a shared document. So we're going to be using our Google Docs. So make sure you follow the instructions and you choose the 3 terms that you are going to do for the assignment. You need to make sure that you give a definition of the term, an example, and the function of the term. And then I have an example here. Now, in order for you to add your terms to the assignment, you need to go check your email. So log into your school email account. And once you are logged in there, you will see an email from me that says that I've shared a document with you. So you'll see it from Dr. Coop, Class Glossary of Rhetorical Terms. Click on that, and inside, let's go ahead and click Display Images. You will see that this is a shared document, wiki, for assignment number 3. Add your 3 terms to the document. So click right here to open. So once you click on that, open it up, you'll see that there's a document there. Okay, so this document is the same document that everyone in the class will see. So whatever you type in here, everybody will be able to see it. So it starts out with just the format that you're supposed to follow and then the example. Make sure that when you write your definition that you give a citation as to where you got the definition. So I'm not too picky about the complete details of that, but most of you will be using a website. So just go ahead and give the URL of the website. Same thing for the example that you come up with. You don't have to come up with your own example. Remember, you can use examples that you've found on the internet. So here's the citation for where I found that example. And then obviously the function is your explanation of that example and how the term was being used. So you need to do this for 3 terms. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this as my example. So let's pretend that I am now Alex the student and I'm the first one here. So what I'm going to do is, it says scroll down and add my name. I don't want to be centered, so I'm going to go over here. So my name is Alex Carter, and then underneath my name I'm going to paste my 3 terms. So let's pretend that these are 3 different terms. I'm going to space in between each term. There's my second one, space, space. There's my third one. And then at the end of my 3 terms, I'm going to go up and hit Insert Horizontal Line. Okay, so now my horizontal line is there. And if the next student comes along, let's say the next student is Bob Jones, then Bob Jones can add his terms underneath mine. So let me go back up to my term. I want to make sure that the terms stand out. So I want to make sure that they're bold. Example, bold, function, bold. So the term, example, and function needs to be bold. And then with your name, it'd be nice if you change the color of it so that it stands out as well. Okay, so that's how you add your terms. Now, let's say that you're reading somebody else's term. And let's say you have a question about something. So here I have just a sentence, and I highlight that sentence. I'm going to go up to Insert, and then I'm going to add comment. And then if you have a question, you can put your question in here. This is my question. Okay, and then hit the post button. And what that does now is it shows the person, Alex Carter, that you have a question about something that they've done. Now, if I'm Alex Carter, which I was, it's getting kind of confusing here. Now I'm Alex Carter again. I can click on your question and then I can reply to your question with an answer. Reply with an answer. And then once I reply with an answer, it will stick to that question. Okay, so you can respond back and forth to each other about certain elements of the terms. So don't just post your 3 terms and then run away. Make sure you post your 3 terms and then go back and read some of the other terms that students have submitted for the assignment. Okay, now the document saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. And once you're finished, you just go ahead and close out of the document and you're done.